Det er faen ikke regn, altså.
Nej. So we have ended up renting ourselves some scooters, which we are driving around. We're currently in Ubud. We came here yesterday and decided today we're gonna wake up early. Woke up at like 5 in the morning to go see some waterfalls. So we're gonna check them out today. And yeah, Monkey Forest. Yeah.
Nice.
There you have the waterfall we woke up so early for.
Oh, we need to find the real one.
Yeah, it's not a real one, so we walked kind of wrong. So we need to go back up and see what we find.
Let's go.
Let's go. Design.
Okay, just went the wrong way.
Hey. That's what it is. Instant regret. Look at that was intense.
What a way to start the day. Huh?
Beautiful day.
Yeah.
Goddamn beautiful.
Oh my god. Oh. I thought I lost the key.
And you left it in there. What is it? Scooter?
No, it's a car. Try flying the drone.
Yep, we need to try it out.
We fixed it in the Singapore. We think. We think. We haven't tried it since.
Well, we haven't tried it since when? Sri Lanka. Yeah.
And off we go. Guess it's not fixed.
Okay, off to next waterfall. Is it far, you know?
About 10-15 minutes drive, I think. Where are we now? At the next waterfall.
Go lang ring.
Go rang rang.
Go lang ring.
Waterfall.
Waterfall, yeah. Let's see if we find it. That's,
Well, that's the main goal, obviously. Alright, so what happened?
we had to pay $1 each to get in.
Into the waterfall.
Into the waterfall. Had to pay some locals. The first waterfall we were at, we didn't need to pay anything because we were so early. The people that sold the tickets hadn't woken up yet. But, yeah.
It is what it is.
This way we're paying because we're tourists. If you're a local, you don't need to pay.
What's up?
Welcome to the monkey forest.
The monkey forest. Yeah. Getting cleaned up. Alright, so we've been to the monkey forest for like 30 minutes.
Yeah. It was terrible, I think. Okay, so what happened was we tried taking a photo with me standing in the background because there was a monkey sitting in front of me, and we wanted the monkey to like reach the camera, so it looked like he took the selfie. And we got the picture, but it turned out very bad, by the way. I look like an adult virgin in it. You can see yourself.
I'm an adult virgin.
But when this happened, the monkey also took the mic, took the microphone, or the cover to the microphone. So yeah, bad day. And I even tried taking it back from the monkey, and then he tried biting me. So all in all, monkey forest, 1 star. 1 star from me. Out of 5.
One of the worst thing was all the people laughing.
Oh yeah, there was an audience laughing at us while I tried to take because
the foam.
I tried to take the cover back, but he tried to attack me, and my instincts told me to fucking punch him. Quick knockout, and I could have taken it back, but we had a big audience that looked at us and laughed. So we just started sweating and ran out of the park, and now we're in serious need of some beers. Beers! And yeah, maybe just go home. I don't know. I hope insurance cover monkey stealing things, because this is fucked. Yeah, roll the clip. Helvete.
Det där får grejerna.
Nej. Terrible day. Terrible.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would.
So yeah, this is the result now. This is how the microphone looks without the foam. No idea where we're gonna get a new one. I don't even know if they sell it separate. So back at the hotel.
Fuck it, dude.
Nice view.
Very nice view. One of the reasons we woke up this morning at 5 just for this.
Yeah.
To be here alone in the middle of the jungle in our rice field.
Middle of the jungle.
Yeah, kind of middle of the jungle. That's how we
So, Chris means this is in the middle of the jungle. Well, right up there is the main road.
kind of jungle. So yeah, we're currently at Luwak coffee plantation, testing out some really good coffees, we hope. And gonna have a tour of the place. Can't really remember what is so special about this, but
The special thing about it is the Luwak.
Luwak, yeah.
Yeah, the cat. We can show it too. It's it finds the best. It said that it finds the best coffee beans.
Oh, so it hunts basically. Or
Yeah, he finds the best coffee beans, eat them, and he only eats the best. But they don't digest properly, so when he poops them out, they take the coffee beans out of his poop, and that's the coffee we're about to try out now.
awesome.
And that's also supposedly to be the most expensive coffee in the world. So this is what we're trying, and also we're gonna try out some other
Some yeah.
varieties. They have an entire menu. So.
Entire thing you can try out.
Yeah. Okay, so the coffee has arrived.
And a lot of it.
Yeah, we got some different varieties of tea and some different types of coffee.
And we got one special one that's not included in the menu at all.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a new one. And here we have
The
the Luwak coffee that comes from the poop. So we're gonna. Can you try the poop coffee first?
The poop coffee first.
Are we going for that one first? Oh wait, should we try out these ones first?
No, I kind of want to get my I kind of want to try this one first.
Okay, go for it.
Just a little sip though.
It's a poop.
I mean,
Where?
it's weird. It's like thick and kind of what's the word? I don't know.
Okay, let me try.
Yeah, thick.
Different. Little hint of poop. Much better.
Forgot to mention the price. The price for the Luwak coffee with the 12 teas and coffees mixed was like 50k Flanken, which is roughly $3.50.
So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like and subscribe. And tomorrow we're going to Gilly Tea. See you guys in the next one.